3. Here you go.
Snickalicker. Thick dick. Snickalicker. Thick dick. Snickalicker. Thick dick. Snickalicker. Thick dick. Snickalicker. Love you, Kel. Thick dick. Kelly sucked a joke. I ruined it.
No, but you
She
didn't.
ruined it, so Kelly sucked a joke. Snickalicker. Thick dick. Snickalicker. Thick dick. Snickalicker. Snickalicker.
Think of something else to say.
Joe. Chicken, color that shit. This is that shit, yo.
Just like a beaver.
Color that shit, Joe. Beaver.
Did you say it?
Yeah, I said Joe. Yo, you know the one where you had the PSP that it's her brother's, but now your friend has it? Yeah, you stole it, James. Don't look up at you, James.
Oh my
I
god.
look up to you, but you're roasting me until the next day.
Okay, bye.
Peace. Snickalicker.